To give you a small taste of how to navigate within Workday, let's pretend that I just moved and I need to update my home address within the system. Thankfully, making this change only takes a few clicks. Using the mouse, I'll go over here and click this personal information icon on the right. I'll then choose contact information. And then I'll click this edit button and select change my home contact information. I can now update my address by clicking this pencil icon and then typing out the information I want within these fields. Anytime I want to save my changes within Workday, the best option is to choose this big bright submit button. So I'll click that. Workday confirms that it's complete, so I'll click this done button. And I can see that the new address is in place. From here, if you want to return to your home screen, you can click the blue W icon up here by the search bar. And as you can see, this short video is just a brief sneak peek at Workday, and it's meant to serve as a quick example of a simple task you can complete within the system. There's much more about Workday to share and learn coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and have a great week.